In the quest for health and vitality, the age-old wisdom of traditional remedies shines brightly, especially when it comes to combating infections. As we dive into this exploration, it's essential to recognize that infections, while common, can disrupt our lives in significant ways. They can drain our energy, cloud our minds, and, if left unchecked, lead to more serious health concerns. While antibiotics are often the first line of defense, they come with their own set of challenges, including side effects and the growing issue of antibiotic resistance. This is where traditional remedies come into play, offering us a natural, holistic approach to healing that has stood the test of time. The beauty of traditional remedies lies in their accessibility and affordability. Many of these powerful tools for health can be found right in our kitchens or local markets, waiting to be harnessed for our well-being. By integrating these remedies into our health routines, we not only empower ourselves to fight infections, but also support our immune systems in a more sustainable way. Let's begin with garlic, a staple in many households and a potent ally against infections. This humble bulb is packed with allicin, a compound that gives garlic its renowned antibacterial properties. When consumed raw or added to meals, garlic can help fend off bacterial infections and enhance overall immune function. Imagine incorporating a clove or two into your daily cooking or enjoying it in a soothing garlic tea when feeling under the weather. The warmth and flavor of garlic can transform a simple dish into a powerful health elixir. Next on our list is honey, a sweet substance that has been revered for its healing properties for centuries. Honey's natural antibacterial and antifungal characteristics make it an excellent remedy for wounds and skin infections. Its thick, viscous texture not only aids in wound healing, but also creates a protective barrier against further infection. A spoonful of honey can soothe a sore throat or be mixed with warm water and lemon for a refreshing drink that supports your immune system. Its versatility makes it a beloved choice in traditional medicine, and its delicious taste is a bonus. Turmeric is another remarkable natural remedy that deserves our attention. Known for its vibrant yellow hue, turmeric contains curcumin, a compound celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Whether added to curries, smoothies, or even brewed as a tea, turmeric can provide relief from various infections, including respiratory issues. The warmth of turmeric not only comforts the body, but also invigorates the immune system, making it a powerful ally in our health arsenal. Ginger, with its spicy kick, has long been cherished for its medicinal properties. This root is renowned for its ability to combat nausea and digestive issues, but it also boasts antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. A warm cup of ginger tea can work wonders when feeling unwell, providing both comfort and healing. Adding ginger to your meals or enjoying it in a soothing infusion can help ward off infections while delighting your taste buds. Now, let's talk about one of the most impactful remedies for immediate relief: apple cider vinegar. This tangy liquid is a treasure trove of natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can be used in various ways, from drinking it mixed with water as a tonic to applying it topically as a natural antiseptic. The acidity of apple cider vinegar helps balance the body's pH levels, creating an environment that is less hospitable to harmful bacteria. When combined with honey and garlic, apple cider vinegar forms a powerhouse remedy that can provide quick relief and bolster your immune defenses. As we explore these remedies, it becomes clear that their effectiveness is amplified when used in combination. For instance, a concoction of garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar can create a potent tonic that not only fights off infections, but also enhances overall health. This blend can be taken daily as a preventive measure or as soon as symptoms arise, providing a proactive approach to wellness. Incorporating these traditional remedies into our lives is not just about treating infections when they occur. It's also about fostering a lifestyle that prioritizes health and prevention. By making these natural remedies a part of our daily routines, we can strengthen our immune systems and reduce our reliance on pharmaceuticals. This holistic approach to health encourages us to listen to our bodies and respond with nature's gifts, which have been trusted for generations. In conclusion, the journey of fighting off infections using traditional remedies is not only a practical one, but also an empowering experience. By embracing the wisdom of nature, we can take charge of our health and well-being. Whether it's the potent properties of garlic, the sweetness of honey, the warmth of turmeric, the spice of ginger, or the tang of apple cider vinegar, each remedy offers us a unique way to combat infections quickly and effectively. As you embark on this journey of natural healing, remember that these remedies are not just quick fixes, but rather steps toward a healthier lifestyle. So the next time you feel an infection creeping in, consider reaching for these traditional remedies. They may just provide the relief you need in under 5 minutes, allowing you to return to the activities and joys of life with renewed vigor.